Right now, your brain is screaming for another hit, another reel, another notification, another quick dopamine spike. And every time you give in, you lose a little more of your real drive. If you feel like nothing excites you anymore, like real goals feel boring, like you're stuck in slow motion, then listen very carefully. This 3-minute video is about to show you exactly how to reset your brain in just 7 days and actually start feeling alive again. Stay till the end. This might be the most important thing you do this year. Here's the brutal truth. Your brain is addicted to ultra-fast dopamine. Social media, porn, junk food, endless scrolling, video games, they all deliver 10 times, 100 times more dopamine than real life ever will. So when you try to study, work out, build a business, read a book, your brain literally feels like it's starving. That's not laziness, that's chemical hijacking. So how do you fix it? You do a dopamine detox. Not forever, just 7 days of radical discipline. Here's exactly what to do. Day 1, 7 rules, no exceptions. No social media, delete the apps or log out completely. No YouTube Shorts, TikTok, Reels. No porn or sexual content. No video games. No sugary snacks, energy drinks, or junk food. No music with heavy beats or hype, only calm or none. No news feeds or drama content. What you can do: walk outside, journal, read physical books, train hard, meditate or breathe deeply. Do boring work, the stuff you've been avoiding. The first 2 to 3 days will feel like hell. Cravings, irritability, boredom on steroids. That's your brain detoxing. That's withdrawal. Push through it. By day 4 or 5, something strange happens. Food starts tasting better. A sunrise actually feels beautiful. Sitting down to work doesn't feel like torture anymore. You start getting real dopamine, the slow, deep kind, from effort, from progress, from real life. After 7 days, most people report sharper focus, stronger discipline, motivation that actually lasts, less anxiety, deeper sleep, real excitement for goals again. This is not hype. This is biology. You're giving your dopamine receptors a chance to heal and become sensitive again. So here's your challenge. Start the 7-day dopamine detox today. Not tomorrow, today. Comment day 1 below if you're in. I'll see you in the comments. And if you want the exact daily checklist I use, subscribe and turn on notifications. New videos every week to help you become your Nextform. Stop outsourcing your dopamine. Reclaim your brain. Reclaim your drive. Let's go.